Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing how I do my front Dutch braid. This is one of my go-to hairstyles and I've been getting questions as a beginner's guide to how to do this hairstyle. So I'm going to go step by step today to show how you do it. One thing I will say is please don't get frustrated. Braiding is hard, and especially if you are new to it, just keep practicing. That's the only way to get better. I remember I used to have the hardest time braiding my hair, and now I can do it without a mirror. So just keep practicing if you're new to it, and you will get the hang of it sooner or later. But if you're interested in seeing how I got this Dutch braid, then keep watching. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any of my future videos. All right, let's get into it. All right, the first thing that I like to do is kind of part my hair where I want it to be. Usually if I'm doing a side front braid, I'll part my hair on the side, but you can still part it in the middle, either side, whatever you are more comfortable with. And then I'll just kind of go in like 3 to 4 inches here. And I usually just take a bobby pin and I will go straight down and it'll be right behind your ear. So you want to make a line from the top of your head to your ear. Pull all of that hair forward. So that's this part, and then the rest of it I put in a ponytail. Okay, so this is hair that we're not going to include in the braid. That's just an easy way to get it out of your way so that you're not pulling it when you are trying to braid the front. So there's a few different ways to do this. I personally, since I have darker hair, I only pull new strands from the front. But if you have blonde hair, it's easier to see the braid than it is in dark hair, so you can pull from both sides. But if you pull from just the front, it's gonna look more exaggerated than it will if you pull from both sides. So I like to kind of finger brush the hair to the front and then block off a little tiny, this is like a 1/2 inch all the way across. And now the rest of my hair is just going straight down. So with this hair, I'll just kind of comb through it really quickly, and then I'll take my ring finger and my middle finger, and I will just put them through my hair so then you have your 3 braid strands. So I usually do a Dutch braid, which is braiding underneath instead of braiding over top. I just think that gives you a more exaggerated look as well. So I'm going to take my back piece, put it underneath, and then take the front piece and put it underneath in the center. So just like a regular braid, and I'll do that one more time from the back piece to the center. And then on the front piece, I'm gonna pick up just a little bit more to add to that front piece. And I'm going to put that in the center. And then we'll put the back in the underneath in the center, and then again, picking up in the front in the center. And put it underneath. So every time I'm just repeating the same steps, back, under, and in the center, and then when I have my front piece, I pick up and put it underneath in the center, back in the center, front piece, pick up and put it underneath, back in the center, front piece, pick up. And so now that I'm right here, I kind of have the option. Do I want to go straight down? Do I want to take it back? What hairstyle am I doing? For today, I'm going to leave the rest of my hair down and just have the braid go to the back. So I'm actually going to stop braiding here because if I braid this, that's all going to get pulled back and I don't want that. So I'm just going to finish out the braid as a normal braid. And I usually like to go about as far down as will fit to the back of my head. So the braid will be all the way in the back. If your hair is not long enough to do that, that's totally fine. You can clip it wherever, and you can just clip it here, like bobby pin it here and leave the rest unbraided. Whatever works for your hair. So I'll just take a clear elastic and secure it. And then I like to pull the elastic down about 1 inch or so there's no braid, so that I have room to pull the braid out. This is kind of what gives your braid more drama and like a more lived in look. I like my braids to look really fluffy. It'll make your hair look fuller and thicker. So I'll go all the way up, and you want to be pretty gentle, but I kind of rub it together. So I'll take a piece and I'll kind of rub it, and rubbing it between your fingers just kind of brings it to life. And then if I want it to be just like a little bit bigger, I will pull that hair tie down again, just so I have more room to do this with, and do the exact same thing. And then I'm just gonna take my hair down, and now I can see what I want to do with this braid. So I'll just take a couple pieces from this front and just twist it back. And then I'm taking this piece and I'm just going to meet them in the back and secure them with a bobby pin. And then once you have it secured, you can kind of pull out some front pieces if you want. I like to have some pieces around my ears and kind of framing my face, so I always pull those out, and then that is everything for this look. It's super simple. The hardest part is just getting your hands comfortable braiding, and then once you have it, you can do it super, super easily. And like I said, if you have blonde hair and you want your braid to be from the front, you can pick up pieces from the front and the back instead of just the front like I just showed you. This is just the way that I personally decide. This is just the way that I personally like to do it, but everything is up to you, whatever works best for you and your hair. But I hope that this helped you guys a little bit and was helpful for you so that you could see how I get this. But this hairstyle is seriously one of my go-tos because I can wear it like this, like if you were going to an office or even if you were going to like cocktails or something, this can be a dressy look. And then you can also put it into a ponytail and wear this to work out. This is one of my go-to workout looks just because it gets my hair out of my face and it's secured. It's not gonna be falling in my face. You could even do like a low bun or something, and this could be like a really cute updo. And this is the perfect look to do if you have dirty hair because you're braiding it, so you're kind of getting it all out of your face. And then it's also, if you wear it up, it's like completely out of your face, but it looks like you're put together even though maybe your hair hasn't been washed in 5 days. Nobody's gonna know. I'm just gonna turn around really quick so I can show you guys how I secured it in the back. I always just do an X with my bobby pins because it kind of locks them together and keeps them in place. So let me just show you really quick what the back of this hairstyle looks like. Anyway guys, that is everything for this video. I know it was super short and sweet. I hope that it was helpful for you in some way. If there's other questions or tutorials that you wanna see, please let me know. Leave it down in the comments below. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.